Just wanted to double check that's the normal video mode, but yeah, we're kind of just cruising around right now. I cannot wait for the summertime, dude. I cannot wait for summertime again. Pretty sure we should be good on gas. I'm not too sure though. But yeah, so we're gonna go down to downtown to the parking garage where our last video and kind of just mess around and see what's up. I'm surprised the bike battery hasn't been died. I haven't had it on the turbocharger, which I'm gonna put one on it. But for this next week, it should be nice, so I'm definitely gonna be riding nice, quote unquote. It's not gonna rain. Definitely gonna be cold though. Oh my God, it's the vape god! You guys see that shit? That used to be me until I decided to better myself. No more vaping, no nothing like that. And I'm very happy about that. It has been like 2 years. Not the Subaru. Not the Pop Tune Subaru. I need to get a Pop Tune for this thing. That'd be dope. I want to get a quick shifter and everything. I still need to, like, the main point of this video is kind of just talking to you guys on like the deciding factor of this bike. It's a fun bike. I like it to an extent. I just miss my ZX6R a lot. That it's kind of hard to love this bike because I feel like I'm not over the other bike because it kind of got taken from me. So but the other bike kind of got taken from it. Not kind of, it definitely got. It definitely got taken from me, so, and it sucks when something gets taken from you, even though you love the bike. So I gotta try to be open-minded. I did post this bike up for sale. I haven't got any good offers. I think I'm gonna end up keeping it and just kind of put some mods on it, quick shifter. I need new tires on this thing. These tires are bad. But yeah, kind of just like stuff like that. I may keep it. I don't know. I'm so torn. There's a possibility I might get rid of it, but I haven't gotten offered anything that's worth my time, to be honest. So there's not much I can really do about that. We're getting like stupid ass offers and shit. I just need to get used to it. I'm not used to like the seating position or anything on this bike, so I'm just like, it's just like unfamiliar. And yes, these winglets, they are mirrors, but I'm just using them as winglets because I like how the winglets just look. Because I hate that you can't see shit out of them. Oh God, it's bumpy. But yeah, I'm kind of just riding around, no plans, no nothing. I ain't got nothing to do. Make sure there's no car over here. Oh, we're good. But yeah, just kind of deciding, so I got talking, deciding factor if what I'm doing with this bike and what the plan with it is. If I'm keeping it, if I'm selling it. Sorry guys, I'm just scanning. Now we're in a more populated area, you gotta be scanning. Standing ahead and shit. Give them the, make sure I'm braking. So we're gonna go to the parking garage, kind of just talk some more, kick it, probably ride around some more. Sorry it's really repetitive, but when it's cold there's not many places you can really ride, especially when you have bad tires and everything's still wet, besides like the main roads. fuck out of me. Damn, this thing's loud. I need to lubricate this damn kickstand. That shit feel like ass. But yeah, guys, we have made it to parking garage. So basically, the main thing, my hands are fucking cold, even in these big ass gloves. But the main thing is just like trying to figure out if I'm gonna keep this bike or not. You know what I'm saying? And I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it or not yet. But I'll figure it out. I just need to kind of just think about it more. Because I put new grips on it, put a bar end mirror on it, put brand new winglets because the other ones are broken. SC Project slip on. It needs headers, but it has stock headers right now with the cat delete on it. That's basically what's going on with the bike as of right now. But I haven't decided, like, do I keep the jigsaw or do I not? The color is nice, it's really nice. I'm just not used to how the bike rides. I think I'm struggling with it. But I think it should be alright. I just gotta kind of think about it. I haven't posted it up, but I haven't got any serious offers about it. It's a clean title, has 15,000 miles. It's an 07, but I'll get back to you guys here in a second. Alright, everyone, change of plans. We're actually gonna head to my homie's house because he's at home right now, and we got nothing better to do today. I got nothing to do. Dude, my glasses are fogging the fuck up. Can't fucking see. It's one entire lens is fogged up. That's why I hate riding with glasses. Alright, we're gonna go to the homie Trey's house. So let's get the show on the road. Alright, we're gonna go to the homie Trey's house real quick. A little bit of change of plans. Gives me something to do. Guys, we're gonna head down to the homie's house because I got nothing better going on today. To the homie Trey's house right now, and kind of just see what he's doing. He has on a blue jigsaw, but he has the newer body style. He has a 2017. Yeah, he has a 2017 body style, so I need to get used to these brakes. go see what he's up to. I think he said he's just chilling at home. I should have charged my phone. It's at like 17%, but whatever. Oh, caught like a weird fucking hole. Alright everyone, we are at the homie's house right now. We are about to leave to go to the other homie's shop. We're riding my Gixxer 600, obviously. His Gixxer 600 is in the garage. Starting to fog up, goddammit. Left, right. Double, left, right. Cold with the visor up, boys. Not this again. Not much. Yep, it's in my pocket.
What? Give me my name. Take your helmet off. My wallet's in my backpack. Have a driver's license? No. Bro, dude, why are you making it too easy? Honest. Why are you making it too easy for me? I'd rather lost it. First week I got it. How long we had it? About 4 or 5 months.
I just bought this bike like under a month, so I have the bill of sale, title, and then I have insurance on it as well.
Okay, can you show me the insurance?
Yep.
Okay. Both of you are speeding also.
Where are we speeding?
Yeah. Where? Yeah, in Lancaster, just north of Silverton Road. Face you guys like 16 miles an hour over. Can you read it for that? Where were you guys headed? Down over the bike shop. Okay. All right.
A bike shop, motorcycle shop.
In my God,
You lay it down.
yeah, not this side, the other side. That was from my previous owner.
Oh.
But the marks on both sides are identical.
Like new for you?
Huh?
Hear that? This is a new bike for you?
Yeah, I just got hit on Lancaster like a couple months ago, so I bought a new bike. Yeah. I had a 03 ZX6R. I crashed right there next to Panda and shit over there. Someone pulled out in front of me.
Wearing all the same gear?
Huh?
Wearing all the gear?
The helmet is the same from the correct. I didn't hit my head though. It's a new jacket, new boots, new gloves. Yeah, fractured my back. Oh yeah.
We actually had a guy earlier literally right over here.
Oh shit.
6.
Oh shit.
Like waving at me like, hey, you chase me. I was like, no, sorry.
What the heck? Oh my.
speeding? I thought we were going this speed limit. Oh, I mean, oh well, but I could have swear I was at least going 35.
I know I was going 35, but whatever. It is what it is.
No. Do you have insurance on it? Why are you writing it? You're making it too easy for me. Seriously. I'm not going to lie to you. What do you want me to do with it?
I mean, I can take it home if you want.
I can't legally let you on the street. You're suspended.
I can have someone come pick it up.
Not a licensed rider?
No, on a trailer or a truck.
When?
I can give him a call right now.
Probably should start working on it because I can't let you unless he wants to ride it back to your house. Unless you want me to have a tow truck come and drag it on.
Not necessarily, but let me see.
Put me in this situation. Do you have the plate or any information on it? Okay, I need to move
the title, the bill of sale is in the
it's kind of weird. That's
down
really
the forks. It's literally right here. Is there another spot?
There should be another spot.
I know there's more than that. Is there one here too? Fuck.
I don't know.
What is that?
Slider pick. Slide out.
You so. We were gonna get pulled over anyways. He had no plate. He already targeted you. Should have taken fucking I-5 like I wanted to.
He won't take it as long as I can get somebody either trailer it or ride it back. No, I have $4 to my name right now. I'll see if we can get and then I'll have to Okay, call me back as soon as possible.
Who's that?
Dakota.
Hmm.
I got it from.
Dwayne can pick it up. I don't know how much he would charge.
I know, but I got no money right now. That's the thing.
Dude, I knew this was a cop. How he was tailing us.
I know. I looked back and I saw those, and I was like,
And then I heard his shit.
you, and I was like,
No, I saw him behind us way on Lancaster, way before down there.
I mean, it is what it is. At least it's cool enough to let me find someone to come get it.
You better get another ticket. I'm probably gonna get a ticket too. Fuck. We were not speeding, dude. He pulled you over because of the plate.
That's where I was confused. I was like, I don't remember doing.
He said he doesn't even have us on radar. It's pacing us, so you can fight that.
I mean, either way, you guys are in the north street and the license, so yeah.
car's not running. That would have made things a lot worse.
Definitely.
Don't want that.
Something on paper, or are you good?
What was that?
Do you want something written on paper?
For
Speed?
is it a warning or a ticket or I'm confused.
I know I'm getting a ticket, so
He's getting a ticket, but I can write something on paper, or you can just slow down a little bit.
I'll just slow down.
Thank you. Any questions?
No, sir.
Don't
I
drive
just-
it away.
just go to the courthouse and make payments.
I would start at the Justice Court right over there by the old Harbor Freight. Walk in there and say, hey, I want to see if I can strike a deal. Worst thing they can say is no, you need to start paying, you got to pay the full, but ask them to strike a deal. All right.
And I got someone coming to get it. I'm not going to touch it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.